Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to draw in Adobe Express. Now for us to proceed, we're going to head over to this plus sign right here. Just click this one. And then here at the top, go ahead and type drawing. And you should be able to see this one right here. Go ahead and click this. All right, now that we are here, now you should be able to see here some templates. But if you want to basically create from the start, go ahead and click the brush right here. And there you go. So now you should be able to see here the basic, right? And you can then go ahead and check multicolor, art supplies, and so many other options right here. So say for example, basic, I can also go ahead and click this one right here and then choose a different color or customize the color that I have that is not available here. Now, let's say, for example, you want to make something with symmetry. You can definitely click this one right here. And let's say, for example, let's create, something like this. So I'm going to go ahead and do that one. And then I can then go ahead and basically start doing just like so. And then you're kind of seeing that it's somehow following this one to the others here. So this is actually very good if you're someone like me who is not very good or is not very creative. Now, another thing right here, you can go ahead and click with this one in order for this or in order for the background to disappear. So now when you export this one, it's going to be plain background or transparent background. And yeah, everybody, that is how you're going to do it. I want you to go ahead and try to explore this further. That's basically how you're going to draw in Adobe Express.